So what I've got here is the Yeti Rambler MagSlider Lid. This is the large size, and they do have other sizes depending on your cup. This one works with the 14-ounce mug, the 30-ounce tumbler and stackable cup, the 35-ounce straw mug, as well as the 42-ounce straw mug. And it also works with this one here. This is the 26-ounce Yeti Rambler cup with the straw lid. We're going to be switching it over to a coffee mug. Now the lid itself has the MagSlider on it, as well as its splash resistant, magnetic slider, shatter resistant, and dishwasher safe. It's also BPA free. And on the back here, it does say it has a 5-year warranty as well. So let's open it up and see how it fits on my mug. So there's the lid itself. Got the MagSlider on there, which is magnetic and removable. Nice rubberized seal on it. So let's try this out on my 26-ounce Yeti Rambler cup here. This is great if you want to convert it to a coffee cup from kind of a water cup. It just pops off. Or if you lost your lid, of course. And we can take that and slide it in there. And a nice tight fit. Fits perfectly on this 26-ounce Rambler. So really happy with that. Now I can drink coffee out of this cup as well. So that is the Yeti Rambler MagSlider Lid replacement for your Yeti cup.